Hey guys, how's it going? I guess the first thing I wanted to do is just share with you. Sorry, everything is a mess. Um, One thing I know a lot of people have questions on is what our grade's going to look like, and I'm going to wait this week to find out. I don't want to send out any information that might not be accurate, so um, stay tuned. Project is all part of that. You might have already noticed that I made the last investigative task bonus. I don't know how much I can do with that. I know that there's a lot of questions in the air. So this week we're gonna wait and see what administration says about grades and what we can do with that. So thank you for your patience. First follow up on the video that I wanted to talk about is it's probably a good time to go to this sheet if you have this. This was our bubble sheet. It said, "What do I do?" And we had this filled out. This is kind of where I left off last time. I can't remember if it was one proportion, two proportion, many on this particular order. If it is mixed up, it shouldn't matter really. But let's go over here to the many proportions. And the first thing is let's add what this really should be now. And so this is our chi-square stuff. But it kind of depends on whether or not you do a goodness of fit test or what we're going to learn in a little bit coming soon. So the thing that I would probably put in this decision chart is that if we're doing goodness of fit, we just have one list of many categories. So you probably notice that with like the M&M part that you have several different colors, but you just have like one list of colors. So that's the first thing I want to share with you. The other thing I want to share with you is in the video, she talked about how you can do a follow-up question. And I gave the notes last time on how to do a goodness of fit test. I'm going to repeat that real quick. If you go to Stat, Edit, and on list 1 right here, I have the observed M&M colors. List 2, I have the expected. There is not an easy way to type this in if you have many different percents as the M&M case was. But let me go to Stat, Test, and scroll down to the goodness of fit test. As a reminder, sorry, TIA 83s, this does not exist, but 84s got it. And when you hit calculate for this thing, at the end, it has this conturb contribution, which one has the largest contribution. And as you scroll through this to the right, you can start reading which one has the greatest contribution. So 11.68, that's pretty big. 0.8, that's pretty big. 0.007, small. 12, that's pretty big. 0.61. All right, so the 12 was the winner. And then you have to go back and remember, well, this 12 represented which particular color from the story. But this is the biggest contribution to the chi-square test statistic. Bam! That's all I got. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Deuces.